Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about lateral area of a prism. So first of all, you need to understand what is the meaning of lateral. So you can see here left, right, top, bottom, front and back. So there are 6 faces. Now these faces are lateral to each other. So if I look at this face and this face, they are lateral to each other. Similarly, this and this is lateral to each other. So I need to find the lateral area, and to find it I need to look at one base which should be uniform along the height of the prism, So if I look at this base, this is uniform along the height. So if I go down, this will be uniform. Okay, this will maintain its triangular shape. Similarly, if I go from this way to this way, no, then in this case it is shrinking towards this side. So it should maintain the triangular shape along the height. So let's try to understand. So this is the formula for lateral area. Lateral area is perimeter of base times height. So first of all, you need to find the perimeter of triangular base. So this is your triangular base, and if I say, let's say 6 meter, 6 meter and 6 meter, all sides are 6 meter, then how do you find the perimeter? The perimeter is sum of all the sides for a triangle. Sum of all the sides. What does it mean? 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6. That will give you 18 meter. Now I need to also know the height. So I'm giving you here the height, let's say 10 meter. Now use the formula. L is equal 18 meter times height is 10. So 18 multiplied 10 will give you 180 meter square. That's how you find the lateral area of a triangular prism. Okay, now let's look at another example. So if you look at this example, how will you find the lateral area for this one? Now you need to see the face of this prism, right, or the cylindrical shape. So in this one I can see there's a circular face and it is maintaining its shape along the height, right? Now what is the perimeter of a circle? The perimeter of circle, the formula changes here, so you should know the perimeter of circle. So that is 2 pi r, right? Now if I give you the radius as 3 meter, then 2 pi times 3, this will give you 6 pi. If you want to solve it further, you can put the value of pi, which is 3.14, right? Now the height is given as 10 meter, right? So let's just solve it. L is equal P times H. The perimeter for a circle is 6 pi times the height is 10. So that will give you 60 pi meter square. Now you can question that why did you took circle here? Why not this from the front? Because from the front it will not maintain its shape. Okay, if you have seen the cylinder, if you move from front to the back, it is not maintaining the edges because edges are circular. Okay, that's just pure imagination which you should know. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, now in this question you have a pentagon. Now you should know what is the shape of a pentagon. It has 5 sides, right? Okay, now length of each side of base of pentagon is how much? 4 centimeter. So if one side is 4, then all side is 4, and we know the perimeter is sum of all the side for geometrical shape. So in this case, how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times 4, or you can say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5 times. So you can do it either way. For simplification, I'm writing this way if someone is new to this. So this is 5 times 4, so this is basically 20, and the unit is centimeter, right? Now the height is how much? 10 centimeter. So height along this is 10 centimeter, right? This is your height. You can take from any of the point to the top, bottom to the top, okay? So the height is 10. So the lateral area formula is, pause the video now, you can try by yourself. Perimeter times height, perimeter is 20, height is 10, so that will give you 200 centimeter square. Okay, now next question. So pause the video and try by yourself. How will you do it? Okay, now let's look at the face. So which face should I take? Which face is maintaining its shape along the height? Now in this one, if I take this parallelogram here kind of shape, will it maintain? No. If you go from bottom to top, it will not maintain. Similarly, if I move from front to the back, no. Only the triangular shape is maintaining from here, front to the back. If you move from along this line, then it will maintain its shape. So here the height is 8 centimeter, and these are two sides of a triangle. So to find the perimeter of a triangle, the perimeter of triangle is sum of all the sides. So I know this side, I know this side, I don't know this one. So how will I find? To find that, I will need to use the Pythagorean theorem, right? So that side will be square root of 5 square plus 6 square. Now you can solve it using calculator, right? Okay, so let's say this side is A, this side is B, and let's say this side is C. I'm talking about this side, okay? Don't get confused, I'm talking about this side. So let's say C is square root of 5 square plus 6 square. That will give you square root of 25 plus 36, and let's use the calculator. So square root of 25 plus 36 will give you 6.40, right? That is giving us 6.4. So let's just take 6.4 centimeter. Now we know all the sides, right? So I'm just removing this part from here. Now you understand. So this side is 6.4 centimeter. Now what is the perimeter? The perimeter is sum of this side plus this plus this. So perimeter of triangle is 6.4 plus 6 plus 5, and that will give us 6 plus 6 12 plus 5 17, and there's a 0.4, so that will give us 17.4 centimeter. And now the height in this case is how much? The height is along this line is 8 centimeter. So the lateral area is perimeter times height. 17.4 is the perimeter, multiply with height. So this point is for multiplication and this is decimal point. Okay, if you don't want to get confused, just use multiplication sign. So 17.4 multiply 8 will give you 139.2, and the unit is centimeter square. That's how you will find the lateral area of a prism. Okay, so I'm writing down one question here and you try by yourself. Okay, so let's just change these values. So let's say this is 18 centimeter and this is, let's say, 16 and this is 15. Okay, and I'm giving you this side as, let's say, this is 15, 16, and let's say 19 centimeter. Okay, I cannot give like that, I need to find. Okay, so better you find this one and solve it by yourself. Okay, so all the information is given. This side is 18, this is 15, and this is 16. So solve it by yourself and find the lateral area and drop the answer in your comment box, right? Okay, that's it for the video.